This video will help you get started as a user of Tidwit. It includes step-by-step guidance on registering and logging into the platform, updating your profile, navigating the different types of resources, using advanced search and filters to quickly find resources, and tracking and resuming ongoing activities. To register and start using our platform, complete all required fields in the registration form. After completing registration, check your email. You'll receive a message with a unique confirmation code to activate your account. If you don't receive the code, check your junk folder, and make sure you've registered the correct email address. Once logged in, you can manage your information under My Profile. You can modify basic information, email, name, country, language, update your profile picture, reset your password, and manage preferences for the notifications. If needed, you can also delete your account. If you need support, click Support and fill in the required details before submitting your support request. Our customer support team typically respond within 24 hours. Use the search bar on top of the page to enter keywords related to the content you are looking for. And use the advanced search options from the search results page and refine your search using additional criteria such as publisher, type of content, language, tags, etc. When selecting a specific publisher, the corresponding list of tags will show up automatically. There are different types of resources which are managed in the Tidwit platform. Libraries are like folders. They make it easier to organize content in a tree structure, based on publishers, topics, asset types, etc. You can navigate libraries from the homepage or directly access a specific library using the content navigation in the left bar. Content items are individual resources or learning activities, article, document, image, video, course, lab, webinar, etc. Some content items like videos or documents are embedded in Tidwit, while others like external websites, labs, or webinars are opening in a separate window. Once you've started a content item, the item status will show as started on Tidwit. Depending on the node settings, item status will show as completed either once the corresponding activity has been completed by the learner, either once the learner has clicked the Mark as Complete button. Learning paths are selections of resources sorted in a specific order for learners to progress through and acquire specific skills or prepare for specific certifications. As soon as you enroll a learning path, a progress bar will reflect your percent completion based on how many underlying resources have been completed already. Bundles are collections of resources that are bound together for easy discovery and access. Assessments are multiple choice quizzes that can be used to validate learners' knowledge. When associated with a minimum passing score, the assessment status will show as passed or failed based on user score. Next, you will see some of the actions that can be performed through the My Activities page. You can access content items, learning paths, assessments, etc. Each has different characteristics like go to the main page of the activity, download certificate, mark activity as completed and restart assessment respectively. Thank you for watching.